Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down at the same time for like this, and that's how you can easily take screenshots. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. So one last time, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery in the just in screenshots section. And from here you can share, edit, search with lens, or delete your screenshots, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.